the cave, and the second course is on the top of a rock. Let's go.
Let's go. It's wild. It is so cool. It's cool. It's wild. Look at here. Inside the cave is a shark. Look at this. Wow. Wow. Ah! Let's go. Let's go on the top of the rock.
I think it will take a lot of minutes.
Look at this.
Look at this, so cool. Oh, there is a duck. There is a duck. Duck. Small duck. Aaron, come. Aaron.
My little brother.
Aaron.
Oh. Let's go to the top of the rock. Look at this.
Wow.
We can go to there. This is purple.
What is
Huh?
big?
The
Waterfall.
is gray.
Let's go up.
Let's go up.
To the left. Wow. The second course, I will go top of the rock. A big rock.
There is a water too.
Yeah. But it is dirty.
It is green.
Let's
We are going up. We are up. Wow.
To the there's second water. Go to the right. Right.
Up. To the stairs. This is a stair.
Oh, Aiden, be careful.
Ready to climb to the stair? You have to be careful. Wow, look at this. There is a lot of water.
This is a really wonderful waterfall.
Today we talk about waterfall.
And we will wait for another good news. Bye. Subscribe me.
엄마! 아빠 영어는? 그 썸네일.